Hey there, cooking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our kitchen, where today, we're diving into some exciting cooking adventures with kid-friendly foods. I'm your name, and I can't wait to show you how to make delicious meals that'll have your little ones asking for more. First up, let's make some super fun and tasty popcorn. Just a few simple ingredients. You'll need some popcorn kernels, oil, and a pinch of salt. Pop the kernels in the air popper, add your favorite flavor oil, and let the magic happen. Once it's popped, season with salt and serve with a smile. Next, let's move on to making some delicious veggie quesadillas. You'll need some sliced bell peppers, onions, and cheese, and a bit of melted cheese on each tortilla. Heat some oil in a pan, and cook your veggies until they're soft. Spread some cheese on each tortilla, and fold them up. Cook for another minute or two, and voila! You have some scrumptious veggie quesadillas that's sure to impress. For our third dish, we're making some super healthy and delicious broccoli chickpea curry. You'll need some broccoli florets, chickpeas, coconut milk, curry powder, and some salt and pepper. Cook the chickpeas in coconut milk until they're cooked through, and then add the broccoli and curry powder. Cook for a few minutes, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious meal. And there you have it, 3 delicious and easy dishes that your little ones will love. Remember, cooking with kids is all about having fun, learning new things, and sharing meals together. So, grab your apron, and let's get cooking.